Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Marco loved tennis since he was a child. He played every weekend at the local club. This summer, he decided to enter his first tournament. The tournament was for amateur players only. Marco was nervous but excited. He practiced every day for 2 weeks before the event. The day of the tournament arrived quickly. Marco woke up early and ate a healthy breakfast. He packed his tennis bag with care. He brought 2 rackets, extra balls, and water bottles. His father drove him to the tennis center. The center was full of players warming up. Marco checked the schedule and found his name. His first match was at 10 o'clock on court 3. His opponent was a tall man named Stefan. Stefan looked strong and confident. Marco shook his hand before they started. The match began under the warm morning sun. Stefan served first with a powerful shot. Marco returned the ball, but it went into the net. The first set was difficult for Marco. Stefan won the first set 6-2. During the break, Marco drank some water and thought about his strategy. His father gave him some advice from the sideline. Play more to his backhand, his father said. Marco decided to change his approach. The second set started better for him. Marco hit the ball to Stefan's weak side again and again. Stefan started to make mistakes. Marco won the second set 6-4. Now they were tied 1 set each. The third set would decide the match. Both players fought hard for every point. The score went back and forth. At 5 games all, the tension was very high. Marco served and hit a perfect shot. Stefan could not reach the ball in time. Marco won the game and led 6-5. Now Stefan had to serve to stay in the match. The pressure was on him. Stefan's first serve went into the net. His second serve was slower and Marco attacked it. Marco hit a winning shot down the line. The crowd cheered loudly. Marco now had match point. His heart was beating fast. Stefan served one last time. Marco returned the ball deep into the court. Stefan ran for the ball but hit it wide. The ball landed outside the line. Marco had won the match. He jumped in the air with joy. His father ran onto the court to hug him. "I'm so proud of you," his father said. Marco shook hands with Stefan at the net. "Good game," Stefan said with a smile. "Thank you." "You played very well too," Marco replied. This was the best day of Marco's tennis life. He could not wait to play his next match.
Learn with LingoStories.app.